How to change spoken content speaking rate on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Next, in the Settings page, we scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Then scroll down and tap on Spoken Content. Next, scroll down. In here, drag on the speaking rate, slide the bar to the right or, or to the left
Selection read selected.
to adjust the speaking rate.
Speak selection read selected content. Speak selection read. Speak selection reads. Speak selection read selected content.
And that's it. So that is how you can adjust the speaking rate for spoken content on the iPhone 16 series. After that, you can tap on the back key or swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.